Discover the secrets to mentorship that build generational wealth. This journey isn't just about finding advice. It's about strategically using wisdom to accelerate your path to financial freedom and lasting impact. Real wealth encompasses knowledge, connections, and purpose. Step 1. Define your vision with precision. Before seeking a mentor, clarify your definition of wealth and success. What are your specific financial goals? Envision the life you want for yourself and your legacy. This clarity attracts the right guidance, guiding you towards mentors who've already succeeded in your desired path. Step 2. Identify and attract the right guides. Not every successful person makes the ideal mentor. Seek individuals who embody your values, skills, and financial insight goals. Look for those who have built wealth ethically and sustainably. Research their journeys, understand their philosophies, and see how their expertise aligns with your vision. Networking strategically and showing genuine interest opens doors to invaluable relationships. Step 3. Cultivate a reciprocal relationship. Mentorship is a two-way street. Consider what value you can offer your mentor, even if it's your dedication, enthusiasm, or fresh perspective. Respect their time, follow through on commitments, and appreciate their insights. Demonstrate your commitment to applying their wisdom. A mentor invests in your potential, and your growth is their greatest return. Step 4. Implement and iterate relentlessly. Receiving advice is just the start. True transformation comes from consistent action. Apply the guidance immediately. Learn from successes and setbacks and adapt your approach. This iterative process fosters real growth and wealth accumulation. Step 5. Pay it forward and build your legacy. Transform mentorship into generational wealth by becoming a mentor yourself. Reach back and uplift others as you climb. Share your knowledge, experiences, and network with those starting their journey. This act not only solidifies your understanding, but also expands your influence and builds a lasting legacy. Wealth multiplies when shared to empower others. Embrace these steps and witness your mentorship journey evolve into a powerful tool for wealth creation and impact. Share your mentorship stories below. What's the best advice you've received or given?